Up to 250 parameter. Optimization OSS Util. With 3D reshape sim, FreeCAD OpenFOAM by Python 3 Control. Contents of this movie. Outline of our opt software and book. Characteristic function of this opt software. Tutorial model. Outline of opt software and book. Opt software is on MIT license. The tutorial of this software is sold as Kindle. If you want to do tutorial, you need to install specific Linux. Characteristic function of this opt software. Desired function. We want to incorporate combinations of increase and decrease among multiple parameters, as much as possible with few trial. Desired function. We want to make it possible to recognize the degree of linearity of the objective value parameter relationship and at early stage. In case of multiples, we want the user to be able to decide the distribution of each candidate pole and follow it. Even in many parameter case, we want to reach the neighborhood of the optimal value point in a few trials as possible. The validity of the initially set parameter boundary conditions can be checked in a few trials as possible. Implementation to achieve the desired function. The subscore is set as the middle of the final score and the parameters. If it's a physics simulation, the subscore may be set to each parts. This software consists of two GUIs, the 3 GUI and the table GUI, as described below. The design is based on the primary consideration of utilizing of this structure. Implementation to achieve the desired function. Prepare cover 2 items, 3 items, 4 items, etc. patterns. We were able to devise a method for generating patterns that could be guaranteed. Created as a file to support up to 256 parameters. Implementation to achieve the desired function. Apply the previous two to the grid search and use the median of all parameters, as the median of all parameters is used as the starting node. Child nodes can be generated from here. Then, the node 3 was made to correspond to the directory 3 in the GUI. It is designed to allow various operations. Implementation to achieve the desired function. For each hopeful node generated by 3, the direction of the node as seen from the parent node is loaded and passed to the other GUI. And the table GUI generates sister's node. Nearby loaded direction grid. At this time, the intermediate score divided in 1 is set for each parameter, and within that intermediate score, we find the optimal value for each parameter. Overview of the search procedure. In the 3 GUI, from the start node, Generate child nodes, like grid search method. Checking the best child node at 1 or 4 in 3 GUI and ignite table GUI with passing the direction of the best node. Generate sister nodes in the nearby grid of 2 in table GUI. Checking the best sister node generated at 3 in 3 GUI. And from the node again, generate child nodes. Tutorial model of this book. The model is an airplane shape, and the final score is the overall drag force of direction travel. As subscores, extract values of divided 4 regions: front wings, rear wings, front body, and rear body. 16 parameters are assigned for reshape. Model side Python preparation. These days, many PC has multi-core. So, Op software can kick each node execution in parallel. Op software roles. Make nodes with. Copy the common part of model. Deliver param list CSV adapt to each node value. Kick the target pi at each node. Op softwares assign cores to each node. So, model side code only need to process own folder. Concretely, assign core work is open, read on param list CSV and reflect to the model. Run simulation, export result values as core CSV. Extract some code of target pi. Get current folder path and read specified parameter. Open FreeCAD and reshape. Basical maneuver of Op software will be uploaded soon. If you are interested in, please look.